Hello, hi, welcome to our channel Beta Kids. Today we are going to discuss about model paper of social studies. In social studies total will be 32 questions. Total are 32 questions. From this we have 4 sections. Examination paper it have 4 sections. Section A 1 to 16 questions. Section A will have 16 questions, 1 mark questions, and section B 17 to 22. These are 3 marks questions. And section C have 23 to 26. These are 4 mark questions. And last section D has 27 to 31. These are 5 mark questions. And last our 32 question is map based question. It will come map. Total social studies is 80 marks. Total social studies paper is from 80 marks. From this 80 marks, we have weightage India and the contemporary world. India and the contemporary world too has weightage 20 marks. Out of total 80 marks, India and contemporary world too has 20 marks, and from the unit contemporary India too has weightage 20 marks, and from the unit democratics politics too weightage also 20 marks, and from the last unit understanding economic development weightage is also 20 marks. Total is 80 marks. Okay, let's come to our paper. Section A. Our first question is identify the correct statement with regard to the Act of Union 1707 from the following options. So the first option is the British monarchy surrendered the power to English Parliament. The first option is the British monarchy surrendered the power to English Parliament. We have 4 options for this question. The next option is British Parliament seized power from Ireland. Seized power from Ireland. And second option is formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. Formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. And our last option is the British nation was formed as a result of the British government. British nation was formed as a result of a war with Scotland and Wales. Which option is our correct answer? Identify the correct statement with regard to the Act of Union 1707 from the following options. First option is the British monarchy surrendered the power to English Parliament. The second option is the British Parliament seized power to English Parliament. Seized power to English So sorry, C is powered from Ireland. And next option is formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. And last option is the British nation was formed as a result of a war with Scotland and Wales. Our correct answer is the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain is the correct answer. This is our first question. And our next question is, which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Our first option is Treaty of Serfs, and second option is Treaty of Versailles, and third option is Treaty of Lausanne, and last option is Treaty of Constantinople. Which is our correct answer? Our question is, which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? The last option, Treaty of Constantinople, is our correct option. It is a treaty recognized as an independent nation. So our fourth option is our correct option. And next third question is, which of the following was the reason for calling off non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? Which of the following was the reason for calling off the non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? Our first option is pressure from the British government. Pressure from the British government. And next option is Second Round Table Conference. Second Round Table Conference. Third, Gandhiji's arrest. Last option is Chauri Chaura incident. Chauri Chaura incident. Our question is, which of the following was the reason for calling off non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? So, our last option, Chauri Chaura incident, is our correct option. Now coming to our fourth question, this is our fill in the blank. Business process outsourcing, BPO, is a example of dash. Business process outsourcing, BPO, is an example of, our answer is information technology. Business process outsourcing is an example of dash industry. Dash industry. Our answer is information technology. Our answer is information technology industry. Or it will ask, Green Revolution has helped dash industry to expand in different parts of India. Question is, Green revolution has helped dash industry to expand in different parts of India? Which industry? Fertilizer. Our answer is fertilizer. Fertilizer industry to expand in different parts of India. This is our fourth question. And next fifth question is, choose the correctly matched pie about the primitive cultivation in India from the following options. The options are Dahiya and Madhya Pradesh and Kumari, Jharkhand, Hill, AP, Common, Karnataka. Our question is, choose the correctly matched pairs of about primitive cultivation in India from the following options. Which is our correct matched pair? Dahiya and MP is our correct answer. Now sixth question is, fill in the blanks. Barley is from Rabi crop and cotton is Kharif. Dash is Zaid. In this Zaid, our options are wheat, mustard, soya bean, and last cucumber. In the Rabi, it are barley. In the Kharif, it is cotton. In the Zaid, what is our product? Soya bean. Wheat, mustard, soya bean, and cucumber. Cucumber is our correct answer. Cucumber is the correct answer. Last option D is our correct answer. In the Zaid. And seventh question is, identify the soil with the help of following features. Okay, the features are red to brown in color. Features are red to brown in color and sandy in texture and saline in nature and lacks humus and moisture. It has the following features. Which is a soil? Our answer is arid soil. Arid soil has red to brown in color and sandy in nature, texture, and lacks humus and moisture. Okay, next question is, a type of millet rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage is which millet? Our options are Bajra, Rajma, Jawar and Ragi. Which is our correct option? A type of millet rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage is Ragi. Ragi has rich in iron and calcium. Okay, next ninth question is, population of Sri Lankan Tamils is concentrated in dash region of Sri Lanka. Dash region of Sri Lanka. Our options are north and south, east and west, north and east, and south and east. Okay. Next, our 10th question is, define. 10th question is, define Define majoritarianism. This is for one more question. Define majoritarianism. What is majoritarianism? Okay, write down the definition. A belief that the major community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is called majoritarianism. I believe that the major community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority. Or define ethnicity. What is ethnicity? A social division based on shared culture or people belonging to same ethnic group believes in their common descent is called ethnicity. Okay, is it clear? Please now read these two definitions. These are very important. And next, our 11th question is, which administrative authority legislates on recipiary subjects? Okay, recipiary subjects. Which administrative authority legislates on recipiary subjects? We all know union or center. Or which administrative authority legislates on union list? This is also union or center. Okay, is it clear? The next question is, which of one of the following options describe collateral? Which one of the following options describe collateral? Options are double coincidence of bonds, double coincidence of bonds, and next option, certain products for butter and trade in butter. And last option is asset as guarantee for loan. Which option is correct option to define collateral, to describe collateral? Asset as guarantee for loan is the correct option to describe collateral. Okay. And next, our 13th question is, read the given statements in the context of globalization and choose the correct option. Okay. The options are for globalization. Our options are, it is the only way for economic development of the country. And second option, interlinks only production based activities. in dispersed locations in the world. Interlinks only production based activities in dispersed locations in the world. And next option is leads to spread of technology, leads to spread of technology, cultures and diseases from a region to another. This is our last option. Leads to spread of technology, cultures and diseases from a region to another is the context of globalization. This is our correct answer for the context of globalization. This is our correct option for the context of globalization. And the next question, 14th question is, it will given some data and find out which country has most equitable distribution of income or anything. It will given some data and give which country has most equitable distribution of income, like that. In this, it will give options, countries like country A, B, C, D, and their monthly incomes, and their monthly citizens, and their monthly incomes in the some year 2018 or 28, and the average. From this data, it will ask questions and give some options. Okay, 14th question is from like that, and 15th question is from read the information given below and selection option. Like that passage will give you, and like that passage will give. In this passage, it will have information about increase and reduce and totally, and total, like that. From this passage, it will ask about increase data and reduce data and be totally repeat, remains constant, like that it will ask from this passage. So you have to read passage carefully and answer the questions. This is our 15th question. Okay, 14th 15th questions are passages and giving data. From that we have to correct the correct option from the given data. Okay, 16th question is from assertion and reason type question. Assertion, in that all given different people have different goals. This is our assertion, and reason is people want freedom, equality, security and respect. This is our reason. Okay, from these given options, is only assertion is right and reason is right. Both assertion and true are right, and reason is the correct explanation of A, and both are wrong. Okay, these are the options. Tell me which one is the correct option. Assertion is different people have different development goals, and reason is people want freedom, equality, security and respect. And our next correct option is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, next, these are our one more questions, and coming to our next section, our 17th question is, I'm giving you questions, okay, only because these are long answer type questions. Why did Gandhiji start? Note down these questions and Prepare well. Why did Gandhiji start non-cooperation movement? This is our important question. And explain. Okay. Why did Gandhiji start non-cooperation movement? We have to explain for this. Okay. We have to write non-cooperation movement and why Gandhiji started, and we have to explain. And next 18th question is explain the measures and practices. Explain the measures and practices introduced by French revolutionaries. French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. Okay, we have to explain the measures and practices introduced by the French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. We have to write at least 3 to 5 points for this question. Okay, this is our 18th question. And next 19th question is like Germany, Italy too had a long history of political fragmentation. Okay, like Germany, Italy too had a long history of political fragmentation. So explain. We have to explain. And next our 28th question is suggest and explain any 3 ways to protect land, degradation in various states of India. This is also 3 marks question. Okay, so we have to suggest and explain any 3 ways to protect land from degradation in various states of India. Okay, our next question is describe any 3 steps taken by the government towards decentralization in the year asked in the year 1992. Describe any 3 steps by the government towards decentralization in the year 1992. Okay, I am giving only answers for only short questions, 1 mark questions. Please note down all these questions and read carefully. Okay, and read perfectly these answers. Okay, or describe any 3 federal features of Indian democracy. Like that it will ask describe any 3 federal features of Indian democracy. And next question is imagine yourself to be XYZ, a member of a women's self-help group. Analyze the ways through which your group provides loan to the members. Okay, we have to analyze, we have to imagine and analyze, and we have to write the ways how your group provides loan to the members. This is our 21st question. And 22nd question is issue of sustainability. The issue of sustainability important for development. Important for development. Examine the statement. We have to examine the statement. This is our 22nd question from section B. Next, coming to our section C, these are the 4 marks questions. And 27th question is in the section C, it will ask, it will give some source. Read the source given below and answer the following questions. For this we have to answer the 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, these 4 are 4 marks. Section C is for 16 marks. It will given the some data. We have to read and answer the following questions. This is our section C. And section D is, how did people belonging to different communities, regions and language groups develop a sense of collective belonging in the 19th century in India, and we have to explain it. Okay, our question is, how did people belonging to different communities, regions and languages groups develop a sense of collective belonging in the 19th century in India? Explain. Or it will ask, explain meaning of nation of Swaraj as perceived by the plantation workers, and how did they respond to the call of non-cooperation movement, and how did they respond the call of non-cooperation movement. And next, our 28th question is, describe the role of mass communication in India. This is a very important question. Describe the role of mass communication in India. Or describe the benefits of roadways. Describe the benefits of roadways. Okay, very important questions. Please by heart all these answers. And 29th question is, suggest and explain 5 ways to reform political parties in India. Political parties in India. And 30th question is, power sharing is the essence of democratic government. So have to examine the statement. Okay, our question is, power sharing is the essence of democratic government. We have to examine the statement. And our next 31st question is, tertiary sector is playing a significant role. Tertiary sector is playing a significant role in development of Indian economy. So we have to justify the statement. This is our 31st question. Tertiary sector is playing a significant role in the development of Indian economy, and we have to justify the statement. Or public sector contributes, this is from last unit, economics. Public sector contributes to the economic development of India. We have to justify the statement. Public sector contributes to economic development of India. We have to justify the answer. These are all our questions, and 32 last question is map based question. So please by heart all these question answers perfectly. These are very important questions. This is our social studies model paper, and some important points for you are from the for do the map we have to know some points. Name the state where the session of Indian National Congress was held in 1920. Okay, we have to know some GK points for easy of doing map. Name the state where the session of Indian National Congress was held in 1920. This is of Bengal. And name the state where the movement of indigo planters was started. Indigo planters was started Bihar. And name the state where the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred. Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred Amritsar. Amritsar. Okay. Name the state where Sardar Sarovar Dam is located. Sardar Sarovar Dam is located Gujarat. Okay. Name the state where Bhilai Iron and Steel Plant is located. Chhattisgarh. Okay. Bhilai Iron Steel Plant is located in Chhattisgarh. Name the state where Pune Software Technology Park is located. Pune Software Technology Park is located Maharashtra. Okay, name the state where Kochi Seaport is located. Kochi. We all know Kerala. Okay. Okay, like this it will have. These are the important. Please read some GK questions for map based questions. Okay. Or it will ask on the same outline map of India, locate and label any three of the following suitable symbols. See Rama Pratap, Sepa Dam, Visakhapatnam Port, Bangalore Software Technology Park. Like this it will ask. We have to fill the suitable symbols. So for this we have to know where some important parks are located, where some ports are located, where some dams are located. Okay, this is your model paper of social studies. Please read carefully and please by heart all these questions and prepare well and take care of. Thank you.